Hello, my dear crafters. Today I'm going to unbox Spellbinders Club. It's the kit of the month, now October 22. It took me a while because it arrived last week and I was out of town. But I am very, very excited about this month's kit because it's Christmas related. That's the theme, and that's what Spellbinders does. Every month they have a new kit and it has a specific theme. And this month is Christmas. So, wow, I am very, very happy about that. So, let me just put some of these things aside. I want to show you every single item that's in the kit and the way that this club works. They have a few different clubs, but this one is you pay $39 a month and you receive a kit. And I have to say, guys, from the kits that I know from in the market, it is the best. You're gonna see how much you get every month for that price. So we let me just start by showing you the papers. We always have either gold or silver or even both sometimes, depends on the topic. So we get one sheet of each. As you can see, we have some very typical colors of Christmas like green and red, but also some pink, which I love. I like to use colors that are not traditional, like pink and blue. I love using blue. So these are the colors that you get. It's 9 pieces of cardstock and very good thickness too. These are the envelopes you always get every month, 10 cards and envelopes, and there are A2. So means that 4¼ by 5½. But you also get a paper pad, a 6 by 6 inches paper pad, and it's very good quality. Look at these colors here. See, and the good thing about these clubs and the card kit that we get every month is that the colors coordinate. So everything goes with everything. You don't have to worry about, well, is this colors good or not? Everything just goes together. And look at this paper, guys. It has foiling. They always have some of the sheets with foiling, which I love, especially for Christmas because it sparkles a little bit more. So we have some more options there. So very nice paper. Some of them are plaid and some are striped. So let me just end here the paper pad and do a flip through for you, just so you know. We know the kind of material that we get. And here's the foiling again. We always have a few options of foiling. There you go, some Christmas trees there. Oh, I love this one. This red one is really, really cute. And oh, the gingerbread man. Good, because actually you will see that the stamp set is gingerbread man. So that's a great thing about it. I mean, the paper will coordinate with the cardstock and also with the stamp sets and the frames that I'm going to show you now. We get, let me see how many here. We have some chipboard embellishments, but these ones are the frames. So very nice frames, three of each. See, I get some three squares here, pink, red, and yeah, very nice. And they all have foiling. All of these do. Some oval ones. These will be great for shakers to put on the top of your of the lids. You know, I'm a box maker. I love making lids and being creative with them. So these will be perfect. And also, of course, for shaker cards, why not, right? And now I'm going to show you some of the beautiful die cuts. That's one of my favorite thing about this kit is that they give you 10 cards. But guys, the last time I got one of these kits, and I'm sure you've seen the video, the one for crafting, and I did it with my cousin Tatiana. We made like 22. We had like 22 at the end, 22 cards, and we had at least, I don't know how many die cuts left. You will never be able to finish these, believe me. But let me just show you here some of these die cuts. They're beautiful. We have a lot of poinsettias. I think that's how you say it. I don't think it's right. But everything, it's beautiful. This one has some foiling too, the rainbow. A lot of the images are more traditional, but others not so much. I love these, like it's like a banner. This would be beautiful for cards. So I'll be using those for sure. Oh, look at the trees, Christmas trees. And that Christmas tree, just look at it because you will see that that's the die set that they sent you, that they sent me this month. Well, they didn't send me. I subscribed. But anyway, you get the gist. Oh, look at the gingerbread. There he is again. Oh, we have a polar bear here. Their cute face, and he's the gingerbread man. So we have a few images on these die cuts with gingerbread because that's kind of the theme of the of these this month's kit of the month. I just love Spellbinders. I mean, I look at all the foiling. We have some hearts there. Look at these. So you can just use and match everything. So I'm just going to accelerate here. Look at oh, I love those. I love gold. I really think it adds a lot. Adds sparkle. Oh, mailbox. There you go. Santa mail. These are beautiful. And you'll never be able to finish these, believe me. Oh, look at those houses. Love it. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an idea. We get some sequins every month. We have a little bag of sequins, and what I love about these ones is that they're very pearly or pearlescent. I think that's what you call them, and it kind of catches the color of what you use. We get some foam adhesive too, double-sided tape, and the thick foam double-sided adhesive. Always get those two. This is something that always comes with the kit. And here is the stamp set. The stamp set is fantastic. Great for Christmas. I'm going to be stamping a whole bunch of these gingerbread men and cut them on my Scan and Cut because, as you know, I'm not a big fan of fussy cutting and I'm not very good at it anyway. It never looks good. So look at that. We have some great sentiments here. You are magical. Let's get excited. It's Christmas. Merry everything, happy always. So these are great sentiments in the gingerbread man, and it actually looks just like the one that we have part of the die cut. So can you imagine just using these two together? It's just perfect, and you can make cards so fast with this. If you don't want to stamp and if you're making like mass producing cards, it's perfect. We also get these beautiful, what do you call those? I think it's puffy stickers. Yeah, I guess. Puffy stickers. Let me see if that's what it's, yeah. Puffy stickers and some wording there like no peeking, warm wishes, holiday. So you can just use those if you don't want to use the stamp set. Again, if you're mass producing and you want to do something quick, those are perfect. Now I'm going to show you one of my favorite things, the chipboard embellishments. We get always get like 2 sheets of embellishments, and they're thick and they're chipboard. Some of them are sentiments, as you can see, and some of them are just images that again coordinate with everything else, with the die cuts, the paper, the stamp set, and they're very thick. And I love chipboard embellishments. Again, they're quick and easy if you're making like an album and you need something for the cover of a mini album. Love that Santa. Okay, so now the die set, and what I want to show you is I'm going to just place the die set here. We get nine, yeah, set of 9 dies this month, and there you go. So I'm just going to lay them out here, but first let me show you what they create. You create this Santa face here. You also have that Noel, the word Noel, and it also creates that beautiful Christmas tree. So those are the 9 pieces, and that's what you get after you cut your paper, okay? So that is right there. See what that is, but you can also use on your Christmas tree. It's beautiful. I love what it creates. And even though I am not a big fan of die cut, like die sets that come and you cut like 200 little tiny pieces and you have to glue them. This one is perfect because it's not that many. You're going to have to do some gluing and putting it together, but it's going to be fun. It's not one of those. Some of these die sets, I look at them and say, no, no, it's going to take an hour just cutting papers and trying to. And if you lose one of those little tiny circles. So anyway, so that's the die set of the month, and I think I am done now. And if you want to subscribe to the kit of the month, use the link below, okay? Thank you so much and have a great day.